Let us look at proposition number 2 of book 11 of Euclid's Elements. The proposition says, if two straight lines cut one another, then they lie in one plane, and every triangle lies in one plane. So, let two straight lines AB and CD cut one another at point E. Now, let's take a point FG randomly on EC and EB. Now we join CB and FG. Now again we take two random points on BC. Let's say HK. These are random points on BC. Join F to H and G to K. So let's join that. And let's join AD also. If part of triangle ECB, that is FHC and BGK or GBK, these two triangles are in the plane of reference and the rest of it is in another plane, then parts of EB and EC will be in one plane and the rest in another plane. So since we have said FHC and BGK, they are in the plane of reference and the rest is in another plane, that means BG is in the plane of reference, FC is in plane of reference, but EF and EG are in a different plane. FCBG, this entire thing, is in the plane of reference and the rest is in another. So again here also EG will be in one plane and BG in another plane. FE will be in one plane and FC will be in another plane. So again you will end up with straight line EC and EB, parts of them being in different planes, and which we have seen in the previous proposition that it is not possible. So we can say triangle ECB lies in one plane. Since AB is a straight line, EB cannot be in the plane of reference and AEB in another plane. Similarly, CE can't be in the plane of reference and DE be in another. So that means AB and CD lie in the same plane. That is a plane of reference. So if EB, AE, BE and CE lie in the same plane, that means AB and CD lie in the same plane. And you might have noticed that this triangle and this triangle lie in the same plane. We could always take these points anywhere, right? We can take it anywhere. We can take this point anywhere. Similarly, instead of drawing ECB here, we could have drawn here also, EAC or BED. So which means, and these triangles could be anywhere throughout the plane. So we have shown that if two straight lines cut each other, or in other words, intersect each other, they lie in one plane. And every triangle that can be formed lies in the same plane. So let me just present you the plane. If I rotate it, you will notice that this whole thing is in one plane. So that is proposition number 2 of book 11 of Euclid's Elements. Again, let me remind you, there is a link to a PDF book which describes all these propositions in detail. Please feel free to download it, refer to it, and if you think somebody else can also benefit from it, please do share. That's it for now. Bye.